There are three financial challenges na dapat nating paghandaan. Una, what if we die too soon? Who will take care of our family? Paano kakain ng 3 beses ang ating pamilya? Paano makapagtapos ng pag-aaral ang ating mga anak? Ang solusyon, dapat meron tayong life insurance. Pangalawa, what if we get sick? Who will pay the bills? Solution, dapat meron tayong healthcare. At pangatlo, what if we live too long? Who will take care of us when we get old? Para tayo ay maging lola o lolo asset at hindi pagpasapasahan pagtanda, dapat meron tayong passive income from investments. At para hindi maubos sa mga hospital ang ating mga investments, pag tayo nagkasakit, dapat meron tayong long-term healthcare. What if I could tell you about a 3-in-1 solution that can give you financial peace? May insurance ka na, may investment pa, at covered ka pa ng healthcare hanggang pagtanda. Would you like to know about it? Let me share with you Kaiser Long-Term Care. I'm Dr. Jaime Lorenzo, your money doctor and IMG financial educator since 2005, helping you create a healthier financial life. Ang buhay natin is connected by dots. First dot sa buhay natin is the date of birth. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating second dot, let's say 35 years old tayo. And then third dot is YFB or the BFY. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Either you fire your boss or the boss fires you dahil retired na tayo, let's say age 60. From 35 to 60, that's our working years. And then yung last dot sa buhay natin is the BTL or back to the Lord. Let's say 60 to 90, yan yung ating retirement years. Ngayon, during our working years, we work hard for the money. Meron tayong trabaho dito or sa abroad or meron tayong negosyo. Kumikita tayo ng pera para sa ating mga responsibilities and needs. Pero syempre, kailangan natin mag-ipon at i-manage ng tama yung ating kinikita. We need to build a solid financial foundation. Kapag na-manage natin ng tama yung ating finances during our working years, syempre, pag-retire natin, para tayong si Lolo, nasa beach, pa-juice-juice na lang dahil money working for us already. May passive income tayo from business and investments, kagaya ng stock market, mutual funds, real estate. Solid yung ating financial foundation. At meron tayong long-term healthcare. Yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa webinar na ito, okay? Pero during our working years, halimbawa na mismanage natin yung ating kaperahan, hindi tayo nakapag-ipon, umasa lang tayo sa SS or GSIS or kakapiranggot na ipon, baka mangyari sa atin to, dumating yung time na manghingi tayo sa ating anak or kamag-anak, kawawa naman tayo. I'm sure, lahat tayo ayaw natin mangyari ang ganyang scenario, alright? Kaiser, yan ang pag-uusapan natin yan. Kaiser International, yan yung ating healthcare partner sa IMG. Kaiser is one of the leading healthcare maintenance organizations in the Philippines today. Now, ang Kaiser, meron siyang long-term healthcare, short-term healthcare, and senior healthcare product. Pero pag-uusapan natin how Kaiser long-term healthcare works. Sa Kaiser long-term care, 7 taon lang tayo mag-iipon. After 7 years, wala na tayong isipin, fully paid na tayo. 8th year onwards, tuloy-tuloy lang lumalago yung pera natin, the plan will mature after 20 years. Covered tayo ng insurance the entire 20 years. Pwede rin natin magamit ang healthcare. Pero kung healthy tayo, hindi tayo nagkakasakit, the better dahil the more our investment grows, mas malaki yung pera natin pagtanda kung kailan maglalabasan yung mga mamahaling sakit natin. Okay? Now, ano po yung mga benefits during the first 7 years? Every year for 7 years, libre ang dental benefits and the annual physical examination benefits. Bunot ng ngipin, linis ng ngipin, physical exam ng doctor, chest x-ray, CBC or complete blood count sa dugo, urine test, stool test. Kapag 35 and above tayo, libre din taon-taon for 7 years ang ECG at pap smear for females. Meron din itong tinatawag na waiver of membership due to death and disability. Ibig sabihin, let's say si Juan de la Cruz, 2 years pa lang siya naguhulog, then namatay siya. Ibig sabihin, fully paid na yung plan from 3rd year until the 7th year, wala nang babayaran ang kanyang pamilya. At the time of death, since covered din tayo ng term insurance the entire 20 years, sa example na to, plan K100, covered tayo ng 450,000 pesos insurance. Makakatanggap yung pamilya ni Juan for 50,000 pesos times 2 kung accidental death. Total of 900,000 pesos. So, ulitin ko. Namatay si Juan de la Cruz on the 2nd year. fully paid na yung plan, makakatanggap pa na insurance money yung kanyang beneficiaries. Ikatlo, matatransfer pa yung policy ni Juan papunta sa kanyang principal beneficiary, let's say sa kanyang asawa at anak. So yung kanyang principal beneficiary na ang makakagamit. Wala nang babayaran. Tapos from 8th year to the 20th year onwards, lahat ng healthcare and investment benefit dito, yung kanyang beneficiary na ang makakagamit. Kumbaga, naipamana ni Juan yung kanyang policy sa kanyang principal beneficiary. Okay? Now, just in case lang na kailangan natin ma-confine gamitin for hospitalization ang ating Kaiser policy, meron tayong annual benefit limit dito na 60,000 pesos every year. Taon-taon yan yung budget for confinement. Pero kung hindi natin nagamit yung ating Kaiser for confinement during the first 7 years, guaranteed 85% ibinayad natin, ibabalik sa atin upon maturity. Okay? After 7 years, fully paid na tayo. Starting on the 8th year up to the 20th year, tuloy-tuloy lang lumalago yung ating investment, yung ating pondo. Based sa ating long-term healthcare benefit na 100,000, kasi K100 yung example natin, kung K50, 50,000 pesos din ang ating long-term healthcare benefit. So base sa figure na to, guaranteed tayo from 8th year up to the 20th year, 10% every year, meaning 10,000 pesos every year, guaranteed po yan. Pero ano man yung pondong hindi natin magamit, it will earn additional interest, nag-accumulate, nagko-compound, total sa dulo, 269,000 pesos. Yung projection na to magdidepende sa paggamit natin from 8th year up to the 20th year. Let's say, during this period, na-confine tayo isang beses, ang bill natin, 50,000 pesos. Itong projection na to, mababawasan lang din accordingly kung ano yung nagamit natin. But, the long-term care benefit na 100,000 pesos is fixed and guaranteed. Ibig sabihin, kahit ubusin natin lahat ng healthcare benefits natin sa loob ng 20 years, itong part na to guaranteed, hindi siya mababawasan. Plus, meron siyang long-term healthcare incentive or bonus na 350,000. Ito yung nabanggit ko kanina na money back benefit in case lang na wala tayong confinement during the first 7 years. Let's say, nagamit lang natin yung free annual physical exam and dental benefits but no confinement sa first 7 years, guaranteed na ang incentive or the bonus. Plus, meron pa itong additional yearly healthcare, parang dividend to sa stock market earnings ng Kaiser investment natin. Projection is 446,000 pesos. Now, pag tinotal lahat, yung apat na yan, total cash or lump sum after 20 years is 1.1 million pesos. Let's say, totally hindi natin nagamit during the entire 20 years. Now, pag nag-mature yung ating Kaiser plan, we have 3 options. First option, pwede natin i-withdraw lahat. Pero closed account na yan, moving forward, hindi na tayo cover ng Kaiser pag nagkasakit tayo during our senior years. Second option, pwede din naman partial withdrawal. Let's say, out of the 1.1 million, i-withdraw mo yung kalahati, yung iwanan mong kalahati, mga 600,000, continues to grow as your investment and long-term healthcare fund para covered ka pa rin moving forward. Pero sa example na to, nag-start siya 22 years old. After 20 years, 42 years old na siya, sabi niya, hindi ko pa naman kailangan yung pera niya, hindi pa ako sakitin, iwanan ko lang yung 1 million ko dyan. Hinintay niya mag-60 siya. At age 60, yung kanya 1.1 million dati, lumago to 6.4 million pesos. Let's say, interest every year ay 10%. Ibig sabihin, ang kanyang interest or annual lifetime healthcare sa edad na 60 ay 648,000 pesos every year. Kahit gamitin niya taon-taon yung interest, intact, hindi nababawasan yung kanyang principal. That's what we call money is working for you or passive income. Now, let's say hindi niya ginalaw yung interest. Naghintay siya from 60 to 65 years old. Yung dati niya 6.4 million, lumago after 5 years to 10.4 million pesos. 10% interest every year. Ang kanyang passive income is now 1 million every year. Passive income or money working for you. Para magkaroon tayo ng passive income, para yan pagtatanim. Magtanim tayo ng mangga ngayon, halagaan mo yan, didiligan mo yan. Pag namunga yan, after 10 to 20 years, hanggat buhay tayo, magbibigay yan ng bunga. Ganon din sa pera. Tanim ka ngayon, save and invest now. Pagdating ng panahon, we will earn passive income. Okay? Ang Kaiser is simply an application of the solid financial foundation Meron na tayo dito, healthcare, pag nagkasakit tayo ngayon at pagtanda, protection in case we die too soon, and investment in case we live too long. Ito po yung mga different example ng Kaiser Plan. Sa illustration natin kanina, ginamit natin ang Plan K100. Term insurance coverage, 450,000 pesos, times 2 kung accidental death, 900,000. Annual benefit limit for confinement during the first 7 years, 60,000 pesos. Projected maturity value after 20 years kung hindi nagamit, 1.1 million pesos. Pwede tayo makapamili ng different installment modes. Annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, and spot cash. Kapag annual sa Plan K100, 58,821, semi-annual, 31,764, 17,000 kung quarterly, and monthly, 5,882. Spot cash, 369,200 which is 10% lower compared sa 7-year payment. Meron po itong annual policy fee na 500 pesos once a year for just 7 years. For ages 10 to 40 years old, the minimum plan is Plan K45. Now, kapag ang edad natin ay 41 to 50 years old, minimum plan is Plan K60. Kapag 51 to 60, Plan K75 ang minimum plan. Okay, so nandyan po ang benefits and the payment modes. Now, ang tanong, Jaime, ano ba yung best plan para sa akin? So, depende yan sa goal mo. Let's say, satisfied ka na sa 699,000. You can go for Plan K60. Pero naisip mo, naku, baka after 20 years, baka sa inflation, one week hospitalization na lang yung pondo na yan. Gusto ko, minimum, meron akong 1 million. You can go for Plan K100. Okay? And of course, depende yan sa budget mo. But kung gusto natin, bigger coverage, bigger benefits in the future, go for the highest plan na kaya ng ating budget. Okay? Of course, reminder ulit, during our working years, we need to make more money so that we can save and invest more money, as much money as we can, and as fast as we can while we can. Para pagdating natin ng 60 or before 60, pagdating ng ating retirement, maganda yung ating buhay, marami tayong passive income or money working for us, passive income from business and investments, stocks and mutual funds. Siyempre, dagdag dyan ang ating Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. Very solid ang ating financial foundation. When we started in IMG way back in 2005, Kaiser din yung sinimulan namin, kami ni Jo, my wife, and then nung nag 10 years old yung mga bata, kinunan na rin namin sila ng Kaiser. Then nung fully paid na kami, kumuha kami ng second plan namin, kaya ngayon tigda-dalawa kami ng Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Policy. Siyempre, mas maganda yung sobra-sobra kaysa mabitin sa dulo. Iba pa dyan yung aming mga stock market investments, mutual fund investments, PDF sa most 18, kasi nga ang goal natin is magkaroon ng solid financial foundation. Okay? Now, kung may mga clarification po kayo or gusto niyo na magsimula, please ask the person who shared to you this video. Pero kung wala po nag-share sa inyo dito, na-search lang to, or ako nag-share sa inyo, please contact me sa email, sa numbers ko, or sa Facebook, My Money Doctor or Jaime Lorenzo Jr. Alright? Once again, I'm Dr. Jaime Lorenzo, your money doctor and IMG, financial educator since 2005, helping you create a healthier financial life.